How to create group chat on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. So in order to create group chat on TikTok, first of all launch the TikTok application on a device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account on TikTok, what you can simply do over here is you'll be able to see different options at the bottom of the screen. So simply tap on the inbox section over here. As you tap on the inbox section, you can see there are two people icon at the top left corner of the screen, so select on that. As you tap on the 2+ icon, you can see you can create a new group over here. So simply what you need to do is you have to select the people that you'd want to add in your group. So I'm going to select a certain person. So let me select a particular person over here. Then tap on Start Group Chat. And as you do that, you'll be able to create this group and you can have a chat over here. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.